Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the chapter quadratic equations. Okay. So basically कोई भी equation जो होता है, ठीक है, उसको हम usually ax square plus bx plus c के terms में हम denote कर सकते हैं. Okay, not every equation but most of the equations can be portrayed this way. Okay. Now in this chapter we will learn how to solve an equation. Okay, there are two methods basically. One is by factorization, which you did in class 9, and one is by formula. Okay, so first let's discuss how to solve an equation by factorization. Okay, so we have a question that says x into 6x minus 1 is equal to 35. So our first thing to note is that we should bring the equation in this particular format, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is something which you did in your class 9. It will be just a revision. Let's go through it. Okay, so we have x 6x minus 1 is equal to 35. So we will first solve this. So this becomes 6x square minus x is equal to 35. 6x square minus x minus 35 is equal to 0. So this comes in the ax square plus bx plus c wala form. Okay, so now we will solve it via middle term. Okay, so we get the equation in 6x square minus x minus 35. We will solve it via middle term. So 6 into 35 is 210. So we'll take the LCM of 210. So now we will form the middle term, 15, 14. So we get 6x square minus 15x plus 14x minus 35 is equal to 0. 3x will be common here. Seven from this side. We get 3x plus 7 and 2x minus 5, which means that x is equal to minus 7 by 3, or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 by 2. So we get the roots or the value of x as minus 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. Okay, I hope you guys remember this, the way we used to solve a middle term equation. Okay, just a fair revision is needed. Now let's see another type of sum. Okay, so we were given the equation 2x square minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. This is already in the ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay, so now let's take 2 common. This 2 will get here and get divided by 0. So we are left with this. So let's take the LCM of 12. So we get आई होप आपको मिडिल टर्म आता होगा. नहीं आता है तो मैं आपके साथ एक फैक्टराइजेशन की वीडियो और शेयर करूंगा जहां पे आप मिडिल टर्म और आराम से समझ सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे 1 इंटू 12 का LCM लिया. LCM के जो फैक्टर्स है उनसे हमने यहाँ पे -4 लेकर आना है. वी हैव एडजस्टेड दिस अकॉर्डिंगली. So we get x minus 6 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. So when we put x minus 6 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. And when we put x plus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 2. So these are our roots of the equation. I hope this is clear. Okay, now we will move to something more important, that is solving quadratic equation by formula. ओके, सो यहाँ पर भी किसी भी इक्वेशन को ax² + bx + c के फॉर्म में लेकर आना है, ठीक है। उसके बाद वी विल अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x और टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन, ठीक है। इसको रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन भी कहा जाता है, जो हम लोग x का वैल्यू निकालते हैं, ठीक है। फॉर्मूला क्या है, -b + √b² - 4ac/2a। ओके, now let's understand this. Suppose we had an equation given as 25x² + 30x + 7 which is equal to 0. Now the very first step which we will do is we will check whether it is in the ax² + bx + c form or not. So this is in the ax² + bx + c wala form, okay, is equal to 0. So now what we will do, we will take out the values of a, b and c. So in this equation we have a's value as 25 because ax² की जगह 25x² था, तो a का वैल्यू क्या आया 25। bx की जगह +30x लिखा हुआ था, तो b का वैल्यू आया +30। c की जगह 7 लिखा था, तो c का वैल्यू आया 7। Now simply we will apply this formula that x is equal to -b + -b² - 4ac/2a. So -b की जगह हमने -30 लिखा, प्लस माइनस साइन वैसे ही उतारा। विद इन रूट वी रोट b² विच इज़ 30² -4 into a into c, 4 into a that was 25 into c that was 7 by 2a, 2a means 2 into 25. ओके, सो इस फॉर्मूला का जो यहाँ पे था वो हमने यहाँ पर पुट कर लिया। नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द इक्वेशन। सो we get -30 + -900 - 700/50, so we get √200 here, so √200 is 10√2, so we get -30 + 10√2/50, -30 - 10√2/50, ठीक है। यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस साइन था फॉर्मूला में, तो जैसे जैसे हम एंड के स्टेप में आएंगे टुवर्ड्स दी एंड, इस प्लस माइनस को हम दो भाग में तोड़ देंगे, ठीक है। -30 + 10√2/50 आएगा एक बार, और एक बार -30 - 10√2/50 आएगा, एक बार प्लस के लिए एक बार माइनस के लिए। हम जैसे इक्वेशन को फिर सॉल्व करेंगे, यहाँ पे 10 कॉमन लिया, वी गेट -3 + √2/5 एंड -3 - √2/5, सो दिस वाज द आंसर। Okay, just go through it once clearly, I hope you will understand. Okay, first of all you have to check whether the equation is in the ax² + bx + c form. Once you get this, fill the values accordingly and get the answer.